Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to add a background to your Zoom meetings. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself and that this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up Zoom if you haven't already. After opening up Zoom guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can either create a new meeting, join an existing one, see your schedule and so on. So guys, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and create a new meeting to be able to change our background. But guys, if you do not want to do this while in a meeting, you can also do it in the settings option. So you can choose one of these. It is really the same. If you want, I'll be showing you both options. So the first option is creating a new meeting. And after guys, while we're in the meeting, now you can see that in the lower bottom corner here, there is an option which can start or stop our video. I currently do not have a camera, that's why nothing is showing up. So guys, all you have to do to add a background while in a meeting is go ahead and click this arrow right here next to the video. Click this arrow and there will be an option to choose a virtual background. Here you can go ahead and click this option and now this will bring you to the option to choose the background of your liking. So guys, that's how you do it while in a meeting. But if you want to do it from the settings option, then go back to the main page and go ahead and look into the upper right corner right here where you can see the settings option. So guys, go ahead and click on settings. And while in settings guys, here at the left side of the screen there are multiple options that you can use for editing your zoom options. So go ahead and click on background effects and this will bring you back to the same options as before where you can choose your background and you can either blur it or give it a background of your choosing. You can select filters and so on. After you're satisfied guys, just go ahead, back out of it and now the options will be saved. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.